here in front of the great Oakland County court system. I'm Darren Finling of the Probate Pro, and the probate court of Oakland County is contained within this building. I'm going to spend a little bit of time giving you some really good practical advice if you're coming to this building. It's located at 1200 Telegraph Road in Pontiac, Michigan, accessible by a lot of different routes, has two great parking lots, very large, capable of handling the people that come even on crowded motion days. But some important factors that you should be aware of is that security is taken very seriously here. So for example, if you have an item within your possession and you're entering into the building and that same item wouldn't be allowed at an airport, it's surely not going to be allowed here. And I also know that like even nail files that you may have in your purse will not be allowed in this building. Also important to note is that a mobile phone that has any form of recording ability on it, whether it's a camera or video camera, they will send you right back to the car to return it. And this can be awfully frustrating for individuals. Why? Because often on a motion day, when there's lots of matters scheduled, the line goes out the door. And on a particularly cold day or warm day, it's very frustrating after waiting in line to then have to get right back in line and do that process all over again. So heed my advice, leave that stuff in your car. The Oakland County Probate Court has a terrific website that allows you to access really important information about the court, including you can look up case information and view to see if things have been filed in a particular matter. You can, if you forgot about the time of your court hearing, you can look that up, as well as it has all sorts of forms that you may want to access if you don't have a lawyer to be able to file the regularly needed filed items. And that is just a click away within the website itself. It's a particularly helpful website, and I encourage you to view it, visit it, and get familiar with the things that are within that courthouse. The Oakland County Courthouse is just a really user-friendly courthouse, and although something that I encourage everyone to really understand is that the people that are at the court counter where filings are occurred, they are by state law prohibited from giving you any legal advice, which includes the filling out of those forms. So often people get very frustrated because they get to the filing counter, they get the paperwork, they start filling out, and they don't know how to complete the documents, or the documents themselves are confusing. And this can be quite frustrating for individuals. So if you're gonna go file something in advance of going down to the court, I encourage you to fill out as much of the paperwork. It'll shorten your time, it'll ease your frustration, things that you're struggling with, you can seek assistance. And of course, the most easy way, or the easiest way for an individual to solve the problem of feeling frustrated around the court system, which is not always an easy place for people to spend their mornings or their afternoons, is to hire a competent lawyer, a lawyer who knows their way through the Oakland County court system. If you've got needs, have questions about this process, need help filling out a form, question about probate related issues, you're welcome to visit our website at theprobatepro.com or call us 877-YOUR-FIRM. I'd be happy to discuss your matter with you.